Good morning, guys. In front of me is POCO F6, and let me show you how to change keyboard language. At first, open a new message or any other area where you've got access to keypad. Now mark settings icon, select languages, tap on add keyboard, select the one that you want to use, mark done, and now you can either stay with two languages or remove unnecessary one by tapping on edit and then removing it. But let me stay with two so you can see how you can switch between languages. So just tap over here on this word icon to switch between languages. Once you have one language only, let me show you how it works. Once you have one language only, this icon is not here. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.